Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie and in today's video I'm going to unbox and review the latest collab between H&M and Kangol. So let's get into the video and let's open up this package. So let's grab the first item, and I think I'm going to start off with the bucket hat because Kangol is actually known for their hats. It's a headwear store brand. So I'm really excited for this one, and if you haven't seen my previous video yet, I actually made a bucket hat myself in denim. So if you want to see how I made this hat, check the link below. Okay, but now I'm going to unbox this one. Shearling fabric, that's so soft. I hope it fits. I got a size extra small or small extra small, I think. I'm a little bit nervous because my head isn't the smallest and it fits, but it's very tight. So this is how the bucket hat looks like. It's super soft and yeah, I think it's really cute. Next up are the joggings. So I'm really excited for these because we love some comfy clothes. And I think the fabric feels really nice. So they are perfect for the fall or even the winter. And I think they look really cool. Next item I got is a belt, and I have similar belts, but I don't have a black and white one, so I think I could wear it with my outfit right now. So this is how the belt looks like. I love it. Oh, I got another hat as well. So this is, it's so small, but I have a big head, so maybe that's just the problem. Okay, it actually fits like a glove, seriously. So it actually fits quite alright. I'm totally wearing the perfect outfit to try on these items. So I think it's perfect for the winter. Keeps your head warm. Let's take a look at the next item, and I think that's the handbag. It's a very glossy handbag and you can just wear it like this. This is how I always wear my bags. Or I think it comes with a strap as well. So you can also wear it like this. The next item is a jacket, I think. I got a size small. It already feels super soft. It's almost a blanket. I should have gotten an extra small. Look at it. It's like, it's probably the comfiest thing in my closet.
Take me away to Neverland. What colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memory. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know, let your hair out in the wind.
And now it's time for the last item, the item I'm so excited for, and that's the dress. I got a size small, so I think it will fit me, although the other items are quite big, except for the hats. So we will see. Look at this dress. I think it looks so cool. I can't wait to try it on. I quickly wanted to tell you that if you want this dress, I would recommend getting a size bigger because it's really tight. It fits like a glove and it's not that easy to put on because you have 3 straps or 2 on each side, so actually 4. Oops. But it's so cool. Okay, but now I'm going to show you the clips.